I'm Barbara Garrett with Quality Line Pet Products. We manufacture the universal carpet rake. As a pet owner, we all love our pets. But what do we do with all their shedded pet hair? The universal carpet rake is a quick and easy cleaning tool. It comes with an adjustable handle, and with a few short strokes along your carpet pile, it will lift the pile while removing shedded pet hair. To clean the carpet rake, you simply get a straight edge comb and you just run the comb along the teeth of the carpet rake to clean out the pet hair. But what do you do with the rest of the floor, you ask? Well, the universal carpet rake has an extended use. We're now giving you an additional attachment, which is a two-sided microfiber mop pad. This pocket-style pad opens at one end. Choose which side of the pad you want to clean with. For example, if you want to dust and use the chenille side, just make sure the chenille is covering the head of the carpet rake. Then all you do is slide the pad so it covers the rake and close the Velcro. If you want to use the other side of the pad, if you want to use this side, open the pocket, make sure this fabric is covering the head of the carpet rake, slide the rake head into the pocket, close the Velcro, and you're ready to go. This is our effort to help you clean for a healthier home environment while saving tons of time and lots of money, because this is a reusable pad that's machine washable. Thank you so much for your time. Come and visit us for more information at www.qualitylinepetproducts.com.